What's going on, guys? My name's Roscoe. Thank you again for tuning into my channel. As you can tell from the title, this video is all for you guys. We hit 1K subs yesterday and I cannot thank you enough, man. It really, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate it, really do. I didn't think it, man. I really didn't think like making videos like this about sneakers would like connect with so many people, man. I just can't believe it. You know, I love sneakers, man. I have a passion for it. I love clothing. I love menswear. I love streetwear. So I'm glad that, you know, some people actually enjoy my videos, because at first, like the first few videos I did, if anybody wants to get into YouTube, man, you just gotta go for it. You just gotta do it, because my first few videos, I look back on it now, dude, they're horrible. They're absolutely trash. But the hardest thing about doing YouTube is just getting started and doing it, to be honest. That's my best advice if you guys are interested in doing this stuff, because, you know, people, when I talk to people and like people like ask me like what I do and like what I do in my spare time, and I kind of hesitant, because, you know, talking about sneakers and like making YouTube videos, it's not really like, for like in the public point of view, it's not really like, you know, people look at me like, dude, you need to grow up. I'm like, fuck you, dude. Like, really? Like, this is what I enjoy doing. And I'm glad that, you know, people hit me up all the time, ask me questions. Like, I love it. I enjoy it so much, and I really do, man, because it's been crazy. It's been a crazy year for me. Like, I've been up and down, and I finally found something that's kind of rewarding, and I'm glad that you guys, you know, enjoy it. I really do. So like I said, this video is for you guys, because, you know, I really want to give back as much as I can. But first, so I want to do a cheers. I got a Corona. I'm on a Heineken. I like Heineken, but I'm all out, so I got to drink Corona. So, cheers. I was going to chug it, but this thing is warm. Oh, it's not good. But, guys, thank you so much. So, let me do this unboxing. I got a bunch of stuff. What we'll do for the giveaway, right? So let me just unbox everything, and then we'll go into it, like how the giveaway is going to work. So, that works? Let's go. Alright, sorry, I'm playing with this light. I got this new ring light, and I don't know how to use it as far as like lighting's concerned. So, I think the last shot looked like I was like in a spotlight. But I'm just trying to play with it a little bit, make it look somewhat better. I know nothing about filming too. Another thing, like if you want to get into YouTube, like you don't really need to know anything, because I have no idea about filming, photography, anything like that. I just wing it. It's the best advice I can give you. All right, so this looks, nope, that's not good. Let's go a little bit brighter. All right, so this is good. So I got everything from Supreme. So if you hate Supreme, you might not like this giveaway. All right, so my thoughts on this is going to be 3 winners. So 3 winners, kind of like a first, second, and third, sort of say, like as far as pricing is concerned. One of my videos, I asked you guys, like, what should I give away? And you guys gave me so much good feedback on it, too. Like, a lot of people wanted Astro World merch. I wish I scooped up as much Astro World merch as I possibly could, because right now, if you try to buy some of that stuff, 1, it's all reselling for a ton of money. 2, it's not worth the resale, because this is all, like, independent clothing companies, so it's not really good quality clothing. And 3, there's nothing but fakes that are out there, and I don't want to give away fake stuff. That's just not me. I don't want to do it. So, but that was a really good suggestion. And then as far as like sneakers, like I said, I'd rather give 3 people winners, make 3 people a winner, than just give like 1 pair of shoes for like $100, and then that one person wins. And so, you know, multiple winners, multiple things. That's just my thought. Let me know if that's okay with you guys. So let me just open this one up. I did get something for me too in this Supreme drop. So, alright, what is this? What's in this one? Alright, so this is going to be like the 3rd place prize. I picked up some boxers for myself, because I need some new boxers. So 3rd place for the giveaway is just Supreme socks. So this will be the 3rd place winner, is just a pack of Supreme socks. Dude, the socks are fire. You know, you can definitely take some fire sneaker pics on your IG, showing the Supreme socks. Good idea, right? So this will be 3rd place winner, and then 1st and 2nd will be it's in this box. So let me just rip this open. Oh, and by the way, too, if anybody asks me, the Supreme CDG drop. That was today. I took a huge L. Took a huge L. I went for the white hoodie, like I said in the last video. I got all the way to the checkout, and then I hit process payment, and then it went. That whole bar went to full, and then it kicked me out and said it was sold out. So pissed. I know a lot of people hit me up and said they manual copped. If you manual copped, dude, good for you, man. Congrats. Because it was a lot tougher than it was. You know, some people had issues as far as like, you know, like the site crashed for a few people, or they like it was bugging out for some. So if you copped, congrats, man, for real. So here is the first and second prize. All right, so second prize is this blue Supreme hat. This is actually the only one that's sold out on the site as far as this design. So it's just Supreme hat, navy blue in red. I think this thing is fire. I think it's dope. And then it just says Supreme on the back. So this will be second place. So this will be the second winner. We'll win this. I'll give that out to you. And then first place, I copped the, I don't know, do you want me to open it? I'm going to open it and show you guys. Might as well. It's a large. I got us a large t-shirt, so I hope that's kind of like the medium for like everybody, like in the middle, sort of say, for a lot of people. So I copped it in white. So this is just white, so if, you know, again, I didn't want to pick like crazy colors in case someone didn't like it. But I got the, this is the Mike Kelly collaboration tee. So it's got it's got like the stuffed animals on the front, and then it's got stuffed animals on the back. The goofy kind of like, I don't know, like the misfit toys of stuffed animals. You know what I mean? So this will be first place. So this is what you got to do for the giveaway if you want to win. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, which I assume you are, and then you got to follow me on Instagram, which I'll put in my Instagram right here. This is my Instagram. It's Roscoe, ROSZKO _72. Once you follow both, just put done in the comments, alright? Put done in the comments. And then once that's done, this giveaway will last a week. So today is Thursday. So next Thursday, I'm going to shoot another video, and I'm going to do like the comment. I think there's like a generator where you can, like, it picks random comments on this video, and I'm going to pick, you know, the third place winner, second place winner, and first place winner. Alright, but you gotta follow me on both, because on Instagram, you're gonna have to DM me on Instagram so I can send you the stuff, because I'm not gonna share personal information over the comments in YouTube. No. So you gotta hit me in the DMs on Instagram. So that's the rules. So you gotta follow me on both and just put done in the comments. So this is it. Let me know what you guys think of this whole thing. I know I was gonna do like I said, Continental 80s or something like that, but then again, I didn't want to pick a size and then get the wrong size and you gotta exchange it. So something basic. Again, I just want to do this for you guys. I appreciate it so much. I really do. This is pretty sick. This is a sick tee. I tried copping this tee, but then I copped this one first for you guys, and then I realized once I go back and try to cop it again, Supreme doesn't let you do that because you only can cop one of each item. So I ended up taking an L on the shirt, but it's alright. So this is for you guys. Now, I want to do a Q&A video next week, so let me know if you guys want to do it. Smash that like button if you want to see a Q&A video coming. This weekend I got some videos planned. I got some sneaker releases coming as far as like, you know, sneaker reviews and a bunch of stuff. So next week is going to be a Q&A video, so be on the lookout for that. But guys, that's my video for tonight. If you have any questions or anything like that, put them in the comments, but remember, put done if you subscribe to both. So guys, that's my video for tonight. And again, I cannot thank you enough. I appreciate the support, I really do. So we're just going to keep going. We're going to keep grinding. We're going to keep making some more vids. I'm going to start expanding and doing different stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy, because this is a journey, man. We're going to have fun. So guys, again, appreciate your support, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace!